The number one mistake we made with our chicken coop is getting something or using something that wasn't easily accessible. We've been testing out Hoover's Hatchery's lean-to coop for the past 2 months, and it's made our lives so much easier. And do not be intimidated by the instructions. This is the easiest coop to put together. Everything pretty much click locks into place. It's like putting together a giant puzzle. The other reason I really wanted to try out this specific coop is because it's made out of recycled plastic. We see so much rain in the Pacific Northwest that most of the coops you buy from farm stores will eventually have wood rot. We're 2 months in and so far so good. Follow along and I'll show you how easy it is to clean it.